Adventure Club Kid Correspondent, and today I'm going to be making my own DIY salad. Now, for the salad, I have 5 categories to choose from, and those categories are green, crunch, protein, herb, and sweet. And for my green base, I have chosen romaine lettuce. So now I'm going to go over to the crunch section, which is over here. And I think I'm going to add some radishes. I love radishes. They're like one of my favorite vegetables. So go ahead and add that. So now for protein, I will add some pecans. I love pecans. They're delicious. I love them in cookies. Now for my herb, let's add some basil. Yeah. Tear that up and sprinkle it in. Like so. And then finally, for my sweet ingredient, let's do strawberries. So, add that. Let's go ahead and add it all. So lastly, I'm going to add my vinaigrette. So just swirl it in there. Oop. And now that the vinaigrette has been added, I'm going to mix up the salad with my special salad forks. And now that the salad has been mixed, my DIY salad is finished. And now we're gonna plate it up. Now let's give our DIY salad a taste. Delicious. What did you put in your DIY salad? We'd love to see. Make sure to tag us on Instagram and Facebook at Small Bites Club. Until next time, bye!